You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Hey friends, on this quick video, I'm showing you on my Volvo XC90 how you can access the tire. If you don't want to go through all your instruction manual and all that to figure out how to get to your tire, you're going to go up in the back of the vehicle. You're going to find your little kit that has a tool where you can actually spin and rotate the tire down. It's going to drop down from up underneath, and that will come down on the ground, so you can then take it off and then be able to change your tire. In my situation, I had to look it up, see how to do that and figure that out. I did call AAA and they came out and did it for me, so that definitely takes some points off my DIY skills. But at the same time, I have access to AAA, and if you do, sometimes it's easier to call the guy to have him do it, somebody who does this professionally. He's got a jack, he's got an impact wrench and other stuff that he can do. I was on the go. I was out at Five Below, a store that my kids were shopping at. Tire was leaking air, so I took the cheap way out and called AAA, had him come out and knock it out. Many of you don't have access to AAA or roadside assistance, so I totally understand that. This video is for anybody who needs to get to that tire and needs to roll it down. I didn't know how to do it and didn't know where it was to begin with, so when the AAA guy came out and showed me, I figured I'd just make a video. So one, I'd remember for the future, and two, for anybody else out there who needed to understand this. So if you ever get a flat with your Volvo like I had recently, the spare tire, you might think it's in here, but when you look underneath the car, the spare tire is under there. All you got to do is take this little piece here, connect these two pieces of metal. One looks like a little manual drill, and the other one is a hook here. You hook it in this slot right there, and then you rotate, and this basically is a lever or pulley system that basically will bring the entire tire down, and it'll lower it to the ground. Then to reattach it, all you got to do is lower that back down. So that if you're ever stuck in a bind like I was recently, where you don't know what's going on with your tire, you don't feel like getting all into the instructions and stuff, follow those simple pointer about dropping your tire from the top here, and once you get the tire off, you can basically just take it off, use your jack system inside and change your tire, or have AAA do it for you like I did. I had the access to it and I didn't want to get dirty that day, so I just let AAA show up while I was shopping, so took the easy way out. Alright friends, you've been watching DIYNate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.